This is the Bissell Little Green Cleaner. This thing is amazing for cleaning out any upholstery, carpet, also works great in vehicles as well. I really love the brush on this. You can spray water on it, or it also has these really thick bristles that do a great job at breaking up any clumps or food or any stains in your upholstery. And then whenever you're using this, you can actually see it sucking up the water in the front as well because it's transparent. So you can choose how much water you use with this just by pressing the lever on it. That'll shoot more or less water out. So whenever you go to set this up, you will need to actually put water in the clean water tank on it. They also give you this sample of the spot and stain cleaning solution. I found that a lot of messes I was able to get out without even using the solution. So you can use just the water and the scrub brush on this. And then all the dirty water gets sucked back into this and it goes into the dirty water tank. So it's kind of like a vacuum scrubber cleaner all in one. Does a great job. There's also this upholstery brush too. This one also has the spray button on the front of it as well. I didn't find this one to be quite as good as the scrubber brush, but this still can come in handy. But this is fantastic to have if you've got kids in the car. You know how it goes. They throw their food on the floor. I had a bunch of stains on the floor of my van that had been on there for months and I thought they were never going to come out. Got this and was able to take care of them in just a couple minutes. Just note you will have to use some elbow grease with this. You do need to scrub pretty hard on it depending on how much of the stain remover that you use. So overall, I was very impressed with just how well this worked for cleaning the car. Even some older stains that have been in there for a while were no match for the Bissell Little Green Cleaner.